Brad Williams, XL Prime. Case-sensitive lookup. Here we have an example where we're looking up Adam Songtang in all caps. Here's our range, and you're going to see Adam Songtang in normal caps, and then we have Adam Songtang in all caps. How do we do this? We can use an index match, or we can use the XLOOKUP. Index match, we're going to recognize that in the end here, we have index match options, and that is in the match function can identify an exact match, either the smallest, the next smallest, or the next largest. So what we're going to do, remember, match is looking for the row. Index is looking, if there's a matched row, it's going to identify that age. In this case, we're looking for age for Adam Songtang in C5 to C14. And here we have index C5 to C14 match. True. We have to put a true function here. If true, we want to use the exact function. What's the exact function? Text 1, the first text string to compare. Text 2, the second string to compare. We want to look for E5 within B14. We want an exact, and if it's true, give us that row number. If there's a row number, then index will go ahead and identify that. It will list the age. What if we misspelled Adam Songtang all caps, accidentally just put in a lower D? It's going to kick out an error. Even with the XLOOKUP, it'll kick out an error. We're looking for exact matches. Let's take a look at how the XLOOKUP function works. If you're using Excel 2021 or greater, sometimes you're going to run into this arbitrary calculation. It's a bug and it's not a feature. The only way to clear it is just go to another worksheet and go back. Back to the Excel XLOOKUP. Let's see what's going on here. Here is the structure. It says Excel true, exact E5, similar to what we did in the previous example. Let's see what's going on here. We have a lookup value. Well, the lookup value can be anything you want. So we're looking up for true. What's the lookup array? The lookup array is anything you want that makes sense. We want the exact name in E5 that's shown in B5 to B14. And if it's true, go to C5 to C14. If it's wrong, list NA. The 0 says we want an exact name. We want Adam Songtang to be an exact match. And you can see Adam Songtang in our search is not in the range. And what happens? It says NA. We go back and we change Adam with the lowercase d to uppercase D. We have Adam Songtang, not Sonta. So we correct that. We have the correct answer.
Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.